On November 2022, out of 44 political parties, close up half nomo only actually register the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or one organization. So supposed to be one them all strong political party. How now you me look save se only got or something or some constitution or make them all something where all candidate come talem se paili make them. How now you me save look where money blow Olgeta come out low where it come out low Wanem pocket. Emi one pocket lo one narafla country, supposed come out lo pocket lo narafla country. Emi one danger lo you me parken yeah, lo Vanuatu. From me isave come lo political influence. So registration for the political party is really important. And outlaw November 2022 election, you got some party where only been registered, but only forget to re-register. So it means an emia two or some YUMI or side lo voter, you could lo save. From spos all party ino stap give him every annual report lo Olgeta under lo Vanuatu law where hemi Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. Where the same law where you apply law all NGO, you apply law all church, you apply law all business. Suppose all political party, but you no start follow me, you make a problem in first place. So, do you want some data? Below all financial reporting below all political parties, where hemi one big part, below you may understand them democracy, below you me from you me stop harem tok say political instability from money stuff fly. The one way below you have check ME all political party registration under the VFSC. Time me make them researcher, which was last night. It's very fresh. Outlaw 44 party. Moi kat 30 only kat name the VFSC, but 6 Olgeta ino I only sake out Olgeta from only no keep up to date. So actually 24. But you got you got 2 party no more. At least I give them all full bank statement. But you look say, oh, emia NBV you must have a look. Okay, 1.5 iko emia from time blow by election. Oh, 1 million iko emia is have a look. You want no more you have a look. To follow partia emi RMC mo ground mo justice. You got all follow party blow YUMI or some former President TALEM or some Nagriamel, one of our oldest parties, with them Vanuatu party. Olgeta too, only give him faithful updates. Under the VFSC register, Mr. Folem no more register. It's not a political opinion, just blow me clear lohemia. And VP Monagriama lo isla share all information, all assets, Olgeta. Even all liabilities, even where money Olgeta come out. So only make them transparency. Where back again, I strong democracy, strong political party. You must have TRAEM look more lo plesia. You got some narafla party. Or some UMP, more PPP, where Olgeta report regularly too. But only no report them finance. Only statalem se only no got money. The whole constitution, italem se got membership fee, got levies, he got all levies and fees, all political appointees. And so he raised them one question, lo me one. So you may got some system is stap, but maybe you may not monitor them good. From me too, me stop Politikol of VFSC, from me look at them all community association, me feel I must make them same reporting. Same mark or same political party or church or business. And you must show them all bank account, you must show them every something. But some me not show them. So how now only continue to register? He come back maybe lo system lo you me again, I mean no one opinion, me just state them some facts. Where how now you must stop user monitoring. By me stop lo plesia,